So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 24th till the 30th of March. Rules can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, so open up no masterclass link is given below. So, let's start. Okay, Cappies, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. We have the Knight of Wands. So someone here is on and off, in and out, and very unstable kind of energy. There could be like age difference between you guys, but this is someone who feels like this situation is not that much stable, but there's a lot of passion, lot of passion and fire here. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Wands. We have the Devil, the Six of Swords, and the Two of Cups. Okay, this is someone. See, this is your card only, Capricorn. This is someone who feels like they should move on. It's like they're forcing themselves to move on from the situation, but they can't stop the attraction. They can't stop this energy of thinking about you, and they feel like they should head towards something better or someone better that's actually meant for them. Now, Capricorn, what is happening here is they are considering this situation as on and off, in and out, unstable, not so good for them, not so good for you. So they feel like they should just move on towards calmer water, towards something better, towards someone better, and clearly stating they feel like they should move towards the person who is their soulmate. Yeah, but they're still very much attached to you, and they can't stop thinking about the situation. It's like they're obsessively thinking about you, but at the same time forcing themselves to move on, walk away towards something better, towards their soulmate kind of energy, because they feel even if they have passion, even if they have this energy of wanting to be with you, you guys are not soulmates. Okay, this is what they feel. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Four of Swords. There's a sense of detachment from your side. You feel like you should do your own work, you should do your own thing, and basically you should just detach, and just remain in some kind of isolation. Let's clarify the Four of Swords here. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, and the Nine of Wands. Okay, it's like you're holding on to some kind of pain. You're holding on to some kind of pain. You're holding on to this idea of having somebody by your side who's going to be a happily ever after kind of a deal, but your guards are really high, because there's a lot of pain that you're experiencing right now, and you are in this energy of, I know what I want, but right now I feel like I should just keep my guards up, because right now it's not the right time for me to connect with anybody. Okay, okay. Especially this person, this energy that is hurting you, you are kind of not pissed off, but you're hurt, and you are in this defensive energy of, I will show them who I am if they are going to do this again with me. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cappies? Four of Pentacles. Their intention is to not to reveal too much, not to be vulnerable in front of you, or not to say too much to you. What is wrong with this, Baba? Every day. Yeah. So their intention is to hold on to something and not revealing too much to you about their feelings, about their energies. Let's clarify the Four of Pentacles here, Cappies. We have this Three of Wands, Four of Swords, and the Seven of Wands. They just want to keep moving forward and heal themselves and remain in this energy of taking a stand for themselves. They are still holding on to you energetically, and they just don't want to say anything, do anything, but at the same time they just don't want to let you go completely out of their system. They're like, okay, they're holding on to something that's not nice, and they don't want to reveal it to you even. Hmm? But this person, according to them, they just want to take a stand for themselves, and taking a stand for themselves means that they should just keep moving ahead in their life and not look back and heal themselves properly and move towards something better. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Eight of Swords. So from your side, you just want to get out of this mental jail, get out of this overthinking, get out of this continuous chaos in your mind, conflict in your mind. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords here. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Star, sorry, the Tower and the Star. Yeah, you just want to get out of this conflict and on and off and in and out kind of energy, and you want to remain optimistic and positive for the future direction of your love and relationship area. You just don't want to participate in any kind of drama, any kind of confusion, any kind of on and off, in and out kind of energy anymore, and just want to heal yourself properly and let go of everything that's stressing the hell out of you, and remain very optimistic and positive in this direction. Okay, this is what you want. Hmm? Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 30th of March. We have the Two of Swords. It's like not being able to see the clear picture of the future direction of something. Let me clarify the Two of Swords here. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Four of Wands, and the Four of Cups. You are going to be okay. You will know what you want in your life, and you are going to be very confused about whether you are ever going to get it, whether you are ever going to have it in your life. So it's like you're going to have option or options to choose from to go ahead in your life, but you're not going to be satisfied, and or you are going to be in this energy of I don't know if I don't know if any of these options is good for me. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. I don't know if I'm walking on the right path, this and that. You are going to have a lot of questions, lot of confusion, lot of this energy of I want commitment, I want something stable, I want long-term partnership, but I don't know if I'm on the right path or right track. So it's like going to be a little bit of stressful energy of not knowing where you are going and what you're going to have in the coming future. But the good thing here is, but you know what you want, so you will figure it out for sure. Hmm? This is just a temporary phase. Yeah, see, for you the guidance here is the Seven of Pentacles. Just witness whatever is going on inside and outside of you like a watcher, and don't do anything about it. Just witness, just let it happen, let it go. Let just watch it like you are watching a film or something, and keep it going. Yeah, once this dust is going to settle down, once you are going to be in this clear cut energy of okay, now I'm clear, now I know how to do it and where to start, then you can start. Okay, just take your time. This is not a race, this is not a competition, this is your life, Capricorn. Okay, yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.